There are more COVID patients in St. Louis area hospitals right now than at any point during the pandemic. Today, the region's task force reported more than 1,000 people are hospitalized. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. High hospitalization rates also mean the number of COVID cases are skyrocketing. But as 5 on your side, Justina Cornell explains, those case numbers are likely even higher than what's being reported.
Missouri has reported more than 38,000 confirmed COVID cases in just the past week.
This is just an estimation, but it's probably much worse than that.
That's because those at-home tests so many of you are taking are probably not being counted. Both the head of the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force and the Lincoln County Health Department say,
I think it's more likely that we have an underreporting situation. For anyone who doesn't call, then of course that's a number that doesn't get counted.
Probably an undercount as well. So there's probably more people that are infected that we're not capturing. And that's really, I think, more the scary piece is that this is just the people that we know.
Some agencies like the Lincoln County Health Department are urging you to call them to share that positive result.
Everyone's encouraged to notify the local health department where they live, is so that our data is as accurate as possible.
They want to know the date symptoms started if you're symptomatic, the date of the positive test, and dates of COVID-19 vaccination if vaccinated. But for others like Franklin County Health Department, if you test positive at home, they want you to take another step.
Get a legitimate test from a lab that goes to the state lab and gets reported accordingly. What happens then is that it gets in the system, not you get in the system, but the information gets in the system so that it can be shared and we know what's going on in terms of the ups and downs and the ebbs and flow of the virus itself.
Depending on your local health department, there may be different ways to report, but the overall emphasis from health officials, get tested if you need to.
The other reason that's important is, those positives are almost always going to have a number of close contacts, and those close contacts need to know so that they can monitor their own symptoms.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
Missouri is offering free at-home test kits shipped straight to your door. Results from these at-home kits are sent to the state since they are processed by a lab. These laboratories are required to provide the department with all COVID test results.